Smile. Even the smallest cats are little tigers. The way the dog made a room for the cat, and the way she squeezed in there. Sometimes love is so unpredictable. I bet it's the softest, warmest blanket ever. How my dog entertains himself.
You serious?
When you are a calm boy but fall in love with a nasty girl. They look like the best action movie duo for life. When German Shepherd isn't protective over humans only. They really enjoy the time together and spend it cuddling and kissing each other. My heart exploded when I saw the cat lay her head against the fierce-looking German Shepherd. Best friends for life. They look so cute together. It's so nice when dogs and cats are friends. They love cuddling and spending time with each other. This really melts my heart. Sharing is caring. To this dog, happiness is only real when shared. Find someone who looks at you the way this cat looks at the dog. That brings into the end of the video. Which one is the most impressive to you? Comment down below to let me know. Like and subscribe to the channel if this is your first visit.